Illinois, Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, and Saline. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 125 remains in effect until 8 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Illinois: Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, and Saline. Severe thunderstorm watch number 125 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Franklin, Hardin, Jackson, Johnson, Massac, Harry, Pope, Pulaski, Saline, Union, and Williamson. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, northern Mississippi County, Missouri, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Charleston, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Alexander County, Illinois, northern Mississippi County, Missouri, until 5:30 p.m.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Over Charleston, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-size hail.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 1 and 21. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: Missouri, and Alexander, Illinois. Now for the official thunderstorm watch number 125 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Illinois, Alexander, Franklin with the